What's up, everybody? Glad you're back. Today we're going to take a look at the 4 bridges. Yes, the 4 bridges. You have the Chitty Chatty, the Brownwood, the Water Lily, and then the cow overpass bridge, which is the one that they're going to be doing last. That's going to be the one that has the cows and the golf carts that you can drive over. Did I say cows and golf carts? Cars and golf carts that you can drive over. I believe the Chitty Chatty is going to be the one that goes up first and actually is completed first because it goes right into Chitty Chatty. The Brownwood Bridge, which you'll see in the video, it still has a lot to go, and because the area south of 44 across from Brownwood isn't really developed yet other than the road, I think that's next on their list. The Water Lily Bridge, they are shutting down the turnpike on the 26th of this month overnight, so that's when they're going to do it between 11 at night and 5 in the morning. Maybe if I'm brave enough to stay up and take a big nap during the day, I'll get out there and try and see them putting it into place. But I will definitely try and get you a video of that bridge being in place right away as soon as I can. So this week I'm also going to be doing or trying to get out there and do the bike paths and the walking paths that are south of 44 in the Chitty Chatty Bradford area. Someone asked me to do those, so I'm going to try and get a video together of those. That one will be a little different. It'll be drone and regular video of actually going down some of the paths and then showing the connections, where they connect and all that stuff. For today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at the 4 bridges, see where they're at, and yeah, let's check it out. So we're gonna come up on the Brownwood Bridge first. This is the Megason. We're actually crossing over Megason Road here. Megason crosses 44, leads into Brownwood. And you can see the smaller bridge right there in front of us that goes over the little pond. And then you have the golf cart bridge that crosses 44 here. This was the second bridge. This was actually the first bridge that they put in place, but it's going to be the second bridge that is up and running. The Chitty Chatty is going to be the first bridge that they put in place. They're pretty decent close to this. I believe they want to have this bridge done in October. The Chitty Chatty Bridge is supposed to be completely done in September and crossable. Like I said at the beginning, I think the reason why they're doing the Chitty Chatty Bridge first is because they have all those homes between 44 and the turnpike on Chitty Chatty, and they want to connect that area to the northern side by golf cart. So this little area here is actually closed off, leading to this bridge over the water. But you can see where it goes up and over. They've got quite a bit done on this since the last time I did a video on it. It has been quite a while since I did a video on the Brownwood Bridge. I was going to do a fly through on this one, but my drone wasn't cooperating with me, so I had to just do a flyover. You can see the 4 villages pillars, the 2 on each side, 2 on the north, 2 on the south. They currently, at the end of this video, you'll see when you see the Water Lily Bridge, they only have 1 pillar in place, but they do have all the little vehicles to move the bridge, so they'll be doing that. Like I said, on the 26th of this month, they're going to have the turnpike closed from 11 at night until 5 in the morning. The majority of this part is done. You can see we're heading to the south side of the bridge now, and it's not paved or anything, it's still all sand. So as far as connectivity goes, I think they're going to have a road that goes around. Honestly, I haven't looked, so Now moving on to the Chitty Chatty Bridge, we are on the south side, coming up from the south side to the north, and you can see the north side of 44 in the distance there. So they have quite a bit more done on this bridge than they do on the Brownwood Megasin in terms of the approach for the golf cart path on each side. It looks like they're actually getting ready to pave the approach, and you can see on the north side of the bridge they have even more done. There's the south side. You can see Chitty Chatty in the distance. I'll be doing a video on Chitty Chatty later this week and showing like the updates since the last video that I did, which has been about, I'd say probably 5 or 6 weeks, and it's quite a bit has happened since then. But this is the Chitty Chatty Bridge, so this is supposed to be done in September, and then the Brownwood one should be done in October, and then they're planning on Water Lily being done at the beginning of 2021. The Villages is actually doing a contest of why you would want to be one of the first ones to go across the bridge. They said that a lot of people have been asking them about it. So on the Villages website, you can go and actually see what they're looking for in the contest and how you can enter so you can be one of the first ones to cross the bridge, which would be kind of cool if you want to be one of the first ones to do that. Now we're going to head down to the Southern Oaks Bridge. Now this bridge is significant because it's going to be the first one over a main road that actually is going to be vehicle traffic and golf cart traffic. So this used to be a cattle bridge because of the cattle farms that were on both sides of the turnpike. This is the Fllorida Turnpike. We're actually headed south over the Fllorida Turnpike currently, or southwest. I always say south, but I understand that it runs from the northwest to the southeast across the state. This was an interesting flight because the drone actually, the battery was going dead. But anyways, you can see this is looking south again. All the green pasture is the south side of the turnpike, and all the construction so far is on the north side of the turnpike. We're looking toward Leesburg right now, so we're looking toward the east. You can see the lake up in the distance over there. And then as we turn here, you're going to be able to see the area that's south of Bradford. And then you can see Bradford right there. So Bradford and Hawkins, and actually right on the north side where that bridge is going to be the Southern Oaks Golf Course as well. Last but not least, we're going to have the Water Lily Bridge. You can see that beautiful rock formation that somebody built right there. So we're on the east side of 301. You can see the turnpike right there in front of us with all the semis. We're going straight west. That dirt road right there comes right to 301. There were several people driving down in a group of golf carts and a vehicle. If it was one of you, let me know. That's pretty cool. You can see Lake Okahumpka straight ahead, and Brownwood is directly to our left to the north. Let's speed it up for you because it's kind of a longer flight. And then you can see the Water Lily Bridge there. So you can see they have the machines in place to put the bridge over on Wednesday night. They're going to be putting it in place over the turnpike. There you can actually see the roads leading to Brownwood, and you can see Lake Okahumpka straight ahead right there. Then we're going to spin around. You'll be able to see. So this is the turnpike, obviously. Now with this bridge, they only have one pillar done. You can see it right there in the screen. And that's on the north side. We are currently on the north side, but they only have one pillar done, and then they're going to slide this bridge over. They have all those red things underneath the bridge right there are the vehicles that have the wheels on them to lift up the bridge and put it in place. Really hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Take a look at the bridge and check it out. The 4 different bridges. I'm going to try and get out here so I can get some footage of this actually being put into place. No guarantees because it's in the middle of the night and school is starting, so I'll be back in the classroom teaching. If you want to see some different kind of content, make sure to subscribe, like the channel. We also do have a Facebook page, and we also have an Instagram that we are starting out. You'll be able to see different content on all 3 platforms. And then we do have the website as well, where we will have a video library that you'll be able to sift through and go find different areas and things like that. It'll be things that we don't really showcase on our YouTube channel, such as the golf courses and all of that type of thing. I hope everybody has a great week, and we will see you next time.